Guys, in this video of YouTube marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to go live on YouTube with OBS Studio. You might have listened about the OBS Studio, but if you don't know, let me tell you that OBS Studio is one of the renowned platform or renowned tool that is available for free on the internet, and you can use OBS Studio in order to record your screen or in order to go live directly on YouTube. So basically, if you want to teach any kind of tutorial, any kind of topic on your laptop or computer screen, or if you just want to show some entertainment content on your computer screen, so you can directly live or you can directly portray your screen on YouTube channel using OBS Studio. So this feature is not provided by the YouTube platform itself. So what you need to do is you need to select any streaming software, and OBS Studio is one of the best streaming software available in the industry. So you can use OBS Studio as a streaming software, and you can connect that streaming software with your YouTube channel, and you can directly go live using that OBS Studio. Now let me take you to the OBS Studio and let me show you the practical thing that how you can set up your OBS Studio and how you can connect all these things, and basically how you can go live using OBS Studio. So guys, as you can see right now, I am in my demo YouTube channel which I have created in this course itself, which is MF Digital Marketing Training and all. So this is the demo YouTube channel. Now what you need to do is, as you can see here, I have installed the OBS software. If you don't know how to install the OBS software, you can just go to OBS Studio on YouTube, not on YouTube, on Google. When you search OBS Studio, you'll see that a website called obsproject.com. So this is a totally free project, free website. So what you can do is you can click on this OBS Studio option and you can download the OBS Studio for the respective operating system. So this is available for 3 operating systems: Windows, Mac and Linux, right? After downloading it, you can install as any other software, right? After installing it, what you need to do is you need to go to your channel on YouTube channel on which you want to go live and do streaming. So here you need to go to this go live option, right? When you click on this, you'll be able to see 2 options, like you want to go live right now or later date. So whatever the option suits you, you can go with. Let's say I want to go live on later date, so I'll select this. Then it is asking me to you want to go live with built-in webcam or you want to select any streaming software. So I'll go with the streaming software because OBS Studio is a streaming software, and if you want to add any kind of overlays, graphics, so these can be done in the streaming software only, right? These options are not available in the webcam and all, and even in the YouTube platform. So let's click on this go option, and when you click on this go option, the window will disappear, and now you need to click on this stream option. When you click on this stream option, here you'll be able to see, let me close it first, and here you'll be able to see a stream key, right? So this stream key you need to copy by just clicking on this button. When you copy this stream key, now directly go to the OBS Studio, and in OBS Studio you'll be able to see these controls, right? And I've just, after installing it, I have just added 2 sources. The first one is my mic, the second one is display, right? So you can add multiple sources over here, right? Because if you don't select the sources, you will be not able to go live. Basically, sources are like what you want to present to your audience. So I want to present a display, which is my whole display, and I want to present a audio, right? So that my audience can hear me, right? So these are the 2 sources I have added right now. If you want, let's say you just want to show any specific window to your audience, so you can go with this window capture option, and it will give you the option to select windows available in your PC right now. Let's say this window, let's say this window is available, let's say this window is available, let's say this window is available, like that, right? Now after adding the sources, you don't need to do anything. You have to directly go to the settings, and as you know, we have already copied the stream key, so you need to go to the second option, just below the general option. You will see stream. Here you will be able to see service. So whatever the service you want to go with, let's say we are going with the YouTube right now, right? So I'll select YouTube RTMPS, and here you can select primary YouTube ingest server, or you can go with this legacy RTMP. So let's go with this one right now, right? Don't select this backup ones, just go with the primary, these two ones, right? So I'll go with the primary YouTube ingest server. Now click on use stream key, and here you need to paste the stream key and click on this, and it will ask you to basically give the permissions. So I'm giving the permissions, hit the continue button, and it is showing authorization completed successfully. Now you can close this page. So this is what the simple authorization process is. Now let me go back. Let me close this first. And here, as you can see, it is showing connected account MF digital marketing training. So basically the account has been connected. Now let me click on OK, and the account has been connected. Now here it is showing the chat options and all. So right now I'm just closing these extra windows so that I can show you the process. And basically these extra windows are for YouTube control panel and the live chat when you go live, right? So if you want to appear these windows again, you can click on this docs option and you'll be able to see that stats option, chats option. Chat was for live chat and this was for live YouTube control panel, right? So when you click on this, you'll see those windows again. Now once your stream key is added into your OBS software, your streaming software, what you need to do is you need to create a broadcast so that your audience can get notified that the stream is going to happen in this YouTube channel. So for that, you need to click on manage broadcast, and here you can see some already added details. Basically, I've used this software before, that's why the details has been already added over here. So in your OBS Studio, you'll be able to see that everything is empty over here. So what you need to do is, as we do in any YouTube video, we add title, we add description, we add privacy, that we want to keep this video public, unlisted or private. So we need to add all those details in this live stream as well, because this is also kind of another YouTube, any other YouTube video, right? Thing is that this is just a stream, live stream, but this is also a YouTube video. So you need to add the YouTube title, the description, and the privacy, whatever the privacy you want to keep, then category. All these categories are available over here, and then you need to select that whether this video is made for kids or not. So if it is yes, you can select this option, otherwise no. Then the thumbnail. So right now it has been selected. Let me clear this. So you'll be able to see this option, basically blank option like this. So what you need to do is you can click on select file and select the thumbnail on your computer where you have saved. Let's say I want to use this thumbnail. So what I'll do is select and open, and the thumbnail has been open. Then here we do have some additional settings. So you don't need to do anything extra here, but just you can tweak with the latency. Let's say you want to keep very low latency, ultra low, so you can select this, otherwise you can keep it normal, right? So after adding all these informations, what you need to do is you need to click on either this or either this option. So create broadcast means right now the broadcast will create only, but if you click on this option, then the broadcast and the stream will start right away, right now, right? So let's say you don't want to stream right now, you just want to create a broadcast so that your audience can get notified. So for that you can select this option. As you can see, creating a new live broadcast, and this will show in your channel as well. Let me refresh this, and most probably you'll be able to see, otherwise after a few seconds, as you can see, it is showing upcoming, and same this thing will be showing to your audience as well. Visibility is also showing public, which means your audience can see this upcoming live session. Now let me go back to OBS Studio again. So our broadcast has been created. Now it's time to start the streaming. So when you click on start stream, as you can see, within few seconds your streaming will be get started, and here you'll be able to see the time is running, that from last 7 seconds or 10 seconds the stream is going on, and here you'll be able to see the network strength, right? These green dots, right? So this is the network strength, and here if the network goes down, you'll be able to see some frame drops as well here. So how many frame drops has been done, you'll be able to see here. So this is what the stats looks like. Now you are live. Whatever you are doing here on your screen, you'll be able to see on your YouTube channel, or the audience will be able to see on your YouTube channel. Now it is around 40 seconds. Now let me stop this streaming, and let me click on this option, and the stream has been stopped. Now if I refresh this, it will show that the stream has been stopped and all the data stats will show here. Now it is showing live because it can take few seconds to update the status, but it is done. So the video has been done. You can watch the video if you want on your YouTube channel as well. After the live session, basically the live this sticker kind of thing get disappears, you'll be able to see, right? It is showing live right now. And I hope you like the video. If you do so, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Now let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then.